Let's make the world's brightest bat signal with my $3,000 flashlight. Now, if you follow the channel, you know I have tried so many things to get this bat signal to work, but nothing has worked yet. We've tried a bat signal out of paper. We've tried it on my world's brightest flashlight. We've tried to make the bat signal out of the world's darkest paint, and nothing has worked. Until now. I don't know, but I am so confident this will work. A few weeks ago, I got an email from G Printables. And in the first email G Printables sent, I got a picture of these. These are fully 3D printed caps for my flashlight to make a bat signal. And I think if anything has a shot in making the world's brightest bat signal, it's this right here. Somehow they got the exact dimensions for this flashlight correct, but I think we need to go try them right now. I'm gonna turn on the bat signal in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I've waited so long for this. This actually works.